Ever pondered about the secrets your teeth might be hiding? These vital pieces of our anatomy, often overlooked, are teeming with intriguing characteristics. They're not just tools for chomping down on your favorite foods, they're also a window into your health, your age, and even your identity. In this video, we're going to delve into the world of human teeth and reveal 10 fascinating facts about them. So get ready to open wide and learn what your pearly whites are all about. Did you know your teeth are like fossils? Indeed they are. Teeth can provide a fascinating glimpse into our past. They can reveal our age, based on their wear and tear. They can also give insight into our diet, showing traces of what we've consumed over the years. Even periods of stress or illness leave their marks on our teeth, much like rings on a tree. They're like tiny time capsules, preserving slices of our personal history. So, your teeth can tell a story about you, just like fossils do. Ever heard of toothprints? Much like fingerprints, every individual's set of teeth, including their specific dental arrangement, is one of a kind. This means that the way your teeth are arranged in your mouth, their size, shape, and even the tiny ridges on each tooth are unique to you. No two people, not even identical twins, have the exact same toothprint. So next time you smile, remember, your teeth are telling a story that's uniquely yours. So your toothprint is a unique identifier, just like your fingerprint. Believe it or not, teeth start to form before we are even born. Isn't that fascinating? During the embryonic stage, the foundation for both baby and adult teeth begins to develop. This process, called odontogenesis, kicks off around the 6th week of prenatal development for primary teeth and around the 20th week for permanent teeth. Imagine your pearly whites were in the making before you even took your first breath. So, you were born to have teeth. Here's another fun fact: no two teeth are the same. Like fingerprints, each tooth in your mouth is an individual. They each have their own size, shape, and location. The front teeth, known as incisors, are sharp and made for cutting food. The canines have a pointy edge for tearing, while your molars at the back are flat for grinding. This diversity in your mouth helps you to eat a variety of foods, so each tooth in your mouth is as unique as you are. Did you know that the hardest substance in your body is not your bone? That's right, the champion here is enamel, the outermost layer of your teeth. Composed mainly of hydroxyapatite, a form of calcium phosphate, enamel is incredibly robust and resilient. It's this hardness that allows your teeth to handle the daily pressure of biting and chewing, without cracking or breaking. However, despite its toughness, enamel isn't invincible. It can still be damaged by decay and erosion. So your teeth are encased in the toughest substance your body can produce. Ever wondered about the role of saliva in oral health? It's more crucial than you might think. Saliva serves as the frontline defense for our teeth. It continually bathes the mouth, washing away food particles that could potentially lead to decay. But its role doesn't stop there. Saliva also contains elements that neutralize harmful acids, preventing them from eroding our precious enamel. It's like a continual cleaning and defense system, operating around the clock. So, saliva is the unsung hero in maintaining your oral health. Did you know the plaque on your teeth is a bacteria party? Yes, that's right. Dental plaque, that sticky film you feel on your teeth, is home to millions of bacteria. These tiny invaders feed on the sugars in your foods, releasing acids that attack your tooth enamel. Over time, this can lead to tooth decay and gum diseases like gingivitis. So the next time you consider skipping your oral hygiene routine, think again. So, remember to brush and flush, or the bacteria will rush. Here's a common misconception. Teeth are not bones. Yes, you heard it right. While both teeth and bones share some similarities, like being the hardest substances in our body, they are fundamentally different. Bones are full of collagen, which gives them a certain amount of give and flexibility, and they can heal themselves. Teeth, however, lack this collagen. This means they can't repair themselves if they get damaged. So while they may seem similar, teeth and bones are actually quite different. Here's a fun fact. The largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, has no teeth. You heard it right. These magnificent marine giants, despite their enormous size, do not have a single tooth in their mouth. So, how do they manage to eat? Well, they have a unique feeding mechanism. Blue whales are filter feeders. They have what's known as baleen plates, which hang down from their upper jaws. When a blue whale takes in a massive gulp of water, these plates act like a sieve, trapping tiny krill and other small creatures while the water is expelled back into the ocean. Their throat is so narrow that it's impossible for them to swallow anything larger than a beach ball. So, they rely on consuming a colossal amount of krill every day, up to 40 million in one go. It's a great example of how nature finds a way to adapt and thrive, so teeth are not a necessity for everyone. Lastly, did you know that tooth decay is the second most common disease in the world? It's a global health issue, overshadowed only by the common cold. From the youngest children to the oldest adults, no one is immune. This decay can lead to serious complications like infections and tooth loss, and it can even affect your overall health. It's more than just a minor inconvenience. So taking care of your teeth is a serious matter. So, those were some fascinating facts about human teeth. We've journeyed through the mysteries of our own mouths, discovering that our teeth are like tiny fossils, carrying unique toothprints that are as individual as fingerprints. We've learned that these marvels of nature begin forming before we're even born, and that no two teeth are ever identical. We've explored the strength of enamel, the hardest substance in our bodies, and the protective role of saliva. We've delved into the world of plaque, a microcosm teeming with millions of bacteria, and debunked the common misconception that teeth are bones. We've also found out that the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, doesn't have any teeth at all. Moreover, we've uncovered that tooth decay is the second most common disease worldwide. Quite startling, isn't it? But with proper care and hygiene, it's largely preventable. Remember, every tooth in your mouth is a small marvel, so smile wide and take care of them well.